What's up, everybody? Today, I'll show you how to reset the oil life on the 2019 to 2025 Honda Passport. This should be a short, pretty straightforward process. So let's see how this task is done together. Okay, there's going to be two different methods to do this. The first method is going to be with the cluster screen. So let's get to work. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the Home button to enter the main menu. Step 3. Use the navigation button to find the maintenance menu and press Enter to select. Step 4. Highlight and select Oil Life. Step 5. Press and hold the Enter button for about 10 seconds to enter the reset mode. Step 6. Scroll down and select a maintenance item, or select all due items, and you're done. If the cluster method does not work for you, you can also use the touchscreen. So just follow me along. Step 1. Start by clicking the Home button to get the main menu. Step 2. Tap on the Settings menu. Step 3. Find and select the Vehicle menu. Step 4. Scroll down and tap the Maintenance Info menu. Step 5. Next, you can either choose Reset All or just Oil and Filter. Step 6. Finally, select Reset to confirm, and that is going to reset your oil life. So that's how easy it is to reset the light. I hope this is helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.